Hello everyone, today we're going to be looking at how I am using the competitor engagement flow template. So to get started with this, the first thing that you need to do is obviously set up a social listening search where you are monitoring competitors. For this one, I'm actually going to be sending data through to a tool called HeyReach. Of course, you could change this particular node here. You could use SmartLead instantly or any other tool of your choice through a HTTP request or any of our other pre-existing integrations. It doesn't necessarily have to be this one. But what I'm doing is I'm monitoring across the business network for any time our competitors are being mentioned. So we have here a few different social listening companies. And then what we're doing is we've set this end up via the new post trigger. So you just need to then configure the save search that you have from the social listening, where we're then running a person enrichment. So what this is doing is this is taking the LinkedIn URL and actually getting the full information on the individual. And then what we're doing is we're actually running a if node to check to see if there are ICP. So here what I've done is I have done two different conditions and used an OR. And I basically said, hey, does the, in this case, job title contain founder or marketing or sales? So it's three different variables there, apologies. If it does, so if it's true, it goes through to this HeyReach campaign, which then automatically reaches out to them and adds them to a campaign inside of HeyReach.